How to manage offline maps settings on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Maps. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture and scroll down, click on settings. Now all what you have to do is click on offline maps settings. Now right here you can manage your offline map settings as you want. You can turn on or turn off wherever you want right here. Auto update offline, auto download, and you have also the download preferences, and everything can be changed right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.